The popular John Deere 5EN specialty tractor from the past is now back and better than ever. Whether spraying, trimming, mowing, fruit handling, or transport, the 5EN narrow frame glides easily through orchards and vineyards. With a 75 horsepower engine, optional front hitch, and ability to add mid-SCVs from the factory for both front and rear implement operation, the 5EN has the versatility to tackle the tough jobs in and around your high-value crops or anywhere on your operation. John Deere Precision Ag Technology, including JD Link, Starfire, and AutoTrack, allows you to work more accurately and efficiently and gives you the tools to most effectively monitor and manage your operation. The cab option provides a premium operator experience with excellent visibility, ergonomically situated controls, throttle system, and clutch pedal. The 5EN Specialty Tractor, a narrow machine with big capabilities. Visit your local John Deere dealer to learn more.